Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 1. It is a great pleasure to be with you all. See how the new technology has made made us so friendly. We can take classes in such a nice way and in a modern form. There is no pollution, no traffic. You are in your house, so am I in my place. Yet the class can be carried on easily. We are all friendly with our new device. Last year, all of you done the classes so smoothly. This year will be the same. Remember, children, I am your Sharada ma'am who will take the classes on conversation, moral science, GK, library, drawing and poem. I will send videos on spelling also from your picture dictionary. So children, remember to wear masks, maintain social distance and use sanitizer and listen to your parents. In this period of crisis, we must be strong and courageous and face the situation boldly. We shall overcome someday. Deep in our hearts, we believe things will be normal again. So, children, once again, a warm welcome to all of you to your new class, that is Class 1. And your previous teacher has told us this is the best class we have ever met. All are good children, so welcome. Now children, we'll start with a moral science. The moral science chapter is Chapter 2, I am a clean child. Now, see the picture. This is page 4. A clean child looks good and remains strong and healthy. Look at the two pictures A and B. The boy in picture A looks better. Why? Because he is neat and clean. He is wearing clean clothes, polished shoes and his hair is nicely combed. When you are clean, you look nice and you feel good. Everyone likes you. Let's see whether you are a clean child. Do you brush your teeth every morning and before going to bed? I suppose you do. Do you take your bath daily and soap yourself properly? Of course you do. Do you wash your hands before and after your meal? Yes, we all do, and this pandemic period is very essential that you wash your hand before and after your meal. Do you put away your books and toys after you have done with them? See, after you have used your books and toys, you should keep them away in their proper places so that when you will need it, you can find it without any difficulty. Do you throw waste only in the dustbin? Yes, make sure you should always throw waste only in the dustbin and the dustbin must be covered. Do you keep your nails short? If you do, dirt will not collect under your nails and so you may not fall sick. Keep yourself and your surrounding clean. Sam and Suri are two friends. Sam is an intelligent boy and always stands first in class. So who is intelligent? It is Sam who is intelligent. Suri is not as intelligent as Sam. Still everyone likes him more. He has many friends. Do you know why? Let's see why. Sam is an unclean boy. His clothes and shoes are always dirty. He does not like to bathe. He does not always brush his teeth. He smells bad. Suri is a clean child. He wears neat clothes, polished shoes, keeps his nails short and puts his things in order. What kind of child you are? You are of course a clean and nice child. So next children, that is page 6. I'll do that page. You can also help to keep your home and school clean. How? by keeping your things in your proper place. Do not write or scratch on the desk. Sharpen pencil over the dustbin and throw waste in the bin. Keep your things in place, such as put away your toys after playing. Now, are you a clean child? You can do like this yourself. I have short nails. Do you have short nails? Yes, we all have short nails. I take bath daily. Of course, we all take bath. I wash my hands before every meal. That is very good. We all do that. I never forget to brush my teeth. Very nice. See, this is the thing you must remember, never to forget to brush your teeth. You wear clean clothes? We all wear clean clothes. My shoes are always polished. I keep my school bag in place. You should always keep your school bag in place so that you can get ready. I put away my toys after playing. After you finish playing, you should keep away your toys in their proper place. My hair is combed properly. All of you must comb your hair properly and nicely. And throw rubbish only in the dustbin. Draw 5 things which help you to keep yourself clean, such as comb, soap, all this you need, toothbrush, toothpaste. These are things you should do. So children, this is the thing of moral science for this week, this month. You read this nicely, and I will send you later, I will send you the copy work and the work that needs to be done. Later I will send you. You study this page nicely so that you can understand to be a clean child. Keep your things in proper place. So once again I am telling you children that moral science is a very important it is a very important subject. It will help you to grow to be a proper human being. This is very essential in your life. You have to be a good person who should talk politely, nicely to everyone. It will help you to build your character. So these things you must keep in mind. You must always try to stay clean, because cleanliness leads to godliness. If you stay clean, neat and tidy, you yourself will feel happy, nice, and you will feel that God is all around you. He is there with you, and God likes to see places neat, clean and tidy. So always keep in mind children to keep your house, your school, your surrounding clean. Always throw waste only in the dustbin, and make sure that you do not scribble on the school wall, neither the wall of your house. It makes it look untidy. You must take your bath daily, and you must keep your nails short. Why? Because if you don't keep it short, if it is long, dirt will get inside it and it will make you fall sick. Wash your hands before and after every meal, because it is very, very essential. And never forget to brush your teeth. You must brush your teeth in the morning and also at night before going to bed. You must wear clean clothes, because clean clothes will help you to stay neat and clean and tidy. Dirty clothes will make you untidy and it has to be washed. You must see that dirty clothes are kept aside to be washed. Wear shoes which are polished and clean. You must keep your bags in their proper place. When you're playing with your toys, use them, play with them and keep it in their proper place. You must always comb your hair and throw rubbish only in the dustbin. Okay children, this much for today, and remember that in this crucial time we must all be strong and brave. We have to fight this coronavirus together. The thing that you must do is always wear mask, maintain social distance, wash and use sanitizer, and above all, it is very important, you must listen to your children. Okay children, bye bye. We'll meet you again in your next class. Bye.